Nej. Dus. We hebben echt zieke frontpage.
Marathons. No, I get tired from doing that. I'm not fit.
I think.
Malik, it was really good. How was your day? Oh, who was that? Whose fat ass was that?
Oops. Now he's out of harm's way. Then we spawn a fire.
And I'm hard.
Sure we can play this together?
Yes. Oh my god. Excuse me.
I'll keep it all here. I'm keeping mine
Вирощування пастернака їбашить слизнів.
Let me do a little poll for you guys. Sorry about that.
He could be. But he was also very kind.
So maybe it's 6:15 or 20. Excuse me. Hi, 706.
I know rap too. Co myślimy? Oh, sorry. Am I watching Assassin's Creed?